Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey friends, welcome back to my organization. This is MK. Today I'm going to test Haylou Solar Ls05 smartwatch, the latest watch. BPM, that means blood pressure monitor. Is it fake or original, or actually work or not? So here I have a brand new Haylou LS5 watch. You can see it shows 0 here. If I go here, first I am going to test myself blood pressure monitor, and then I will test other things. Okay, let's see, does it work or not. You can see the result here. It's ups and downs with my blood pressure, 76, 75. So this result is actually right or wrong, or does just it's a fake like other Chinese gadgets, because many of Chinese gadgets are very use fake product and fake sensor. So actually this product is original or not. So I am going to test this cover. This cover, does it cover have any blood pressure or not, to see does it work or not. So let's start test these things. Okay, just click on it to work the sensor. You can see here the result. If the gadget shows me any result, any kind of result, that means this gadget is fully fake. Or if this gadget shows nothing, that means the blood pressure monitor actually worked with human body. You can see I am waiting for 20 seconds and it shows nothing. The sensor is working but it shows nothing. Let's test my sunglass. Does it actually work or not? So I just hold on it and click on again. It shows nothing, no result. Let's test again with my hand, with my bare hand, and just click on it and see. This is amazing that this kind of budget watch can actually work. You can see just with some second it shows 78 blood pressure monitor. So friends, that's it. That means this sensor actually work. If you don't subscribe this channel, please subscribe. If you have any question, please ask me below, and click on the notification icon and do me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?